Storm alert, Jason Couto here with Couto Construction. Now I don't want you to be worried because I'm not saying there's more snow coming, but what we do have is the perfect storm for ice damming. See, not only did New England get hit with a whole lot of snow, but what came with it is what we call the perfect storm for ice damming. Now, I want to educate you on what is ice damming. So as you can see here, what we do have is we actually have ice damming that is happening right here in our office. Now, ice dam is not something that you can prevent 100%, but what we are not worried about, because we have the proper roofing system, we're not worried about the damage happening inside our home. So let me tell you, what is an ice dam? An ice dam is when you have a block of ice that builds around your gutter, also known as your eave. And as the snow starts to melt off your roof, that water comes down and gets trapped against that ice dam and eventually works its way up through the shingles or your roofing underlayments and starts to cause damage inside of the home. Now look, I don't want you to panic because there are solutions, but what I don't want you to do is start calling and saying, hey, can somebody remove the snow from my roof? Because that alone is not going to be the solution. Now we got a lot of people that have been calling our office in panic, and that's why I wanted to make this video to educate you. Not every home is the same. Not every solution is going to be the same for every home. So if you don't know where to turn, like always, our family here at Couto Construction is here to help. So give us a call. And remember, when it comes to roofing, our family has got yours covered.